Hello! This video will explore some of the different ways how to delete or add a row, a column, a worksheet. The Microsoft Excel spreadsheet can compose one or more worksheets. The default names of the worksheet tabs are Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and etc. We can insert, delete, move, copy worksheet, and other. For instance, in order to rename a worksheet, we need to do the following. Right-click the worksheet tab. The worksheet menu appears. Select the desired command. For example, rename. Enter a new name, for example, table, and press enter. In order to copy our data in a new worksheet, do the following. Right-click on the worksheet tab, select the Move or Copy command, then select Move to Add command, activate Switch, create a copy. OK. As you can see, a new worksheet is added and data has already been copied. Similarly, by using the worksheet menu, you can carry out also such action as insert, delete, hide, and choose color in the worksheet tab. For example, green. Let's go to our data table Microsoft Excel. To add an entire column, we need to do following. Click on the desired column name, for example, A. We see that the entire column is selected. Right-click the mouse and choose the Insert command. To add an entire row, we need to do following. Click on the desired row number 4, for example. We see that the entire row is selected. Right-click the mouse and choose the Insert command. Similarly, we can delete a row or a column or cell range. Select and delete command. It's important to note here about difference between deleting the contents of a cell, a row, or a column, and deleting the cell, a row, or a column itself. If you want to delete the content, select the item you want to delete. In our example, we'll select B5, B8 and press Delete key on the keyboard. One final point to make when considering aspects of dealing with data table Microsoft Excel is adding a border. For instance, we used borders to indicate the entire table. To add a border, we need to do the following. Select the desired cells. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the Borders drop-down menu and select the border style you want to use. All borders, for example. The selected border styles will appear. I hope you've acquired more proficiency and confidence in Microsoft Excel. After watching, you can access your knowledge of basic Microsoft Excel. Thank you for your watching.